let others consume.
So I did some testing in the kitchen. I'm having some spaghetti. I have tomatoes in here, squeeze of lemon, which was very nice, and the zest. Yeah, it's called the zest, and some mushrooms. Yum. You know, sometimes I struggle mentally to truly love myself and everything about me. I complain about this and that, or I don't like how this looks or how that looks. I can't even say it out loud because I still struggle with most of those things. But whenever I'm in nature, there's just something it does to me. It just I look around and I know, oh, this is stunning and beautiful and lovely, and I just think, and I'm like, the same God that created all of these created me as well. And I don't know why I still feel that way. And I think I'll try to do some devotions about on self-image and loving myself. And yeah, I've been trying to go through the fruit of the spirit and looking for asking God ways I can cultivate it. But I really think I need to do like a study on like self-image and truly loving myself and seeing myself the way God sees me. Because just look at all these beautiful things. They're so lovely. They're just so pretty. Like look at the grass. Like, and there are these tiny holes that the crabs made. And I think crabs are really pretty. And look at the bird. Yeah, the world is so beautiful. I hope God teaches me how to love myself as much as I love nature. All right, back to my work.